Solve the following inequality. First, let's expand everything. So we're going to have to distribute the negative sign over here. That's going to be 3x minus 5 is greater than, we distribute this as well. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x plus 7. And then now we add up like terms. 3x minus x is 2x minus 5 is greater than, negative 4 plus 7 is positive 3 minus 2x. Now we want the variables all onto one side. So I'm going to add 2x on both sides. That's going to give me 4x minus 5 is greater than 3. We got to move 5 to the other side, so we add 5 on both sides. That's going to give us 4x is greater than 8. And to get x alone, we're going to have to divide both sides by 4. That's going to give us x is greater than, 2. And that is the answer. Now keep in mind this thing about inequalities. Whenever you divide, let's say we had negative 4x is greater than 8, and if we had to divide negative 4 on both sides, since we are dividing by a negative number, we're going to have to flip the inequality sign. So it would be x is, instead of greater than, is going to be less than negative 2. So keep that in mind.